makes people tick, what people are passionate about, what people are scared or anxious about, and of course, then for me, it's connecting the dots between religious training and ideology, and perhaps area.
And elders and animals, it seemed that most of the town had become populated with.
Really? Why are you going
lifeless.
so slow?
Many found at the exact spot where they had been standing or sitting or lying around 9.
No, stop. Fancy Nissan drivers. No, stop. Nissan drivers. No, stop. Toyota turd.
The first week of November.
Nice cut off.
Full support.
Stop questioning, like you.
Turn from the center lane, and that's an exit, not an entrance. Bad. Stop it.
Minorities or by outside pressures. The line read in its original state. Hutchison changed.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
Sometimes, relaxing with friends, Truman liked to say that he and his small family might have been a hit.
No, turn on red.
Margaret would sing. He would play the. Truman himself said many times he seldom made a decision without consulting the boss.
No, turn on red.
She had no more.
In someone who is working.
This is flooded again.
And trying to make, two ends.
Yeah, I caught this being flooded before. It's like I died and went to Milford.
One hour later.
Does the whale thing change your mind about him? No. Who doesn't like fucking whales? This is just common.
Really? You're gonna try to U-turn? Yeah, all of you are U-turning when there's cars coming. Oh, it's even deeper on this side, huh? Maybe this is a mistake. Yeah, this car is so freaking low to the ground, it's crazy. Okay, post 10 needs to come out here and find this clogged storm drain or beaver dam, wherever the hell's causing that. Come to Syracuse. Who cares about Massachusetts?
David Niles, who had handled minority issues and patronage for Roosevelt, and
Really?
Bill Hassett, Roosevelt's correspondence secretary. Headed shopping tomorrow and Wednesday. I don't see how I can get it all done. Understandably, he wrote, "You both have
You
done
wait for
fine
me
under
to
this
come
terrible
right
load."
here to start turning. Really?
Okay? But like owning a team and cheating your ass off while also slandering another team for doing what the fuck you're doing is just, I don't know. I always love stuff. It's like when Trump was going like, I'm going to drain this.
No,
swamp.
stop.
Like, well, dude, you can reach the flood because your neck.
Armed power on the continent will have vanished except for moderate forces to hold down Germany. Meanwhile, what is to happen about Russia?
Really?
An iron curtain is drawn down upon their front. Double-breasted navy blue suit, blue shirt, silver and blue striped tie with matching
Red light
bandages.
run, red light run, red light run. Really? Frickin' Quebec.
Was, however, returned shortly with no sign of presidential reaction. The one hint of Truman's
Nice cut
state
off.
of mind to be found in his own hand had begun with the famous voyage of the old Oregon around the Horn to Cuba in 1898. It was a calamity
cut off.
against the civilized laws of war. Dust and wreckage. There are moments when the drama of our times seems to focus on a single scene. The meeting at Potsdam is one of those moments. We can hardly take in the sense of what happened until it is spelled out in a picture like this. The picture of three men walking in a graveyard. They are the men who hold in their hands most of the power in the world.
Really? Texas?
Yet, the devastation of Berlin was small scale.
He was terrible in that film. I miss you. Why? That was red light run, red light run, red light run. No, stop.
And mostly talk to each other. In 12 years, Franklin and Eleanor Roosevelt had never been in residence.
Red light run, red light run. The guy
fun.
making the left turn over there made the left. You saw what happened. Why do I have to keep singing? Stop it!
It's not enough that they have gray hair. They got to put on like a what is the thing like that keeps it out of your eyes?
It's like right behind your ears, you know. You put it on your forehead and then twit, it goes back. What is that called? One of those things.
Well, if I had an hour to find out what that was on the internet, or else I had to spend the rest of my life in jail, that would be.
You done messed up, Aaron!
He wanted to be buried out there, he had said, turning in his chair to look into the courtyard.
But kitty
I want to
cat,
be out there so I
no!
can get up and walk into my office if I want. Clark Clifford, Charlie Murphy, Rose Conway, Harry Vaughn, and Sam
Really?
Rosenthal.
Yeah, way to hold up everyone. Good job. Your country's proud of you.
Anyway, there was one other thing I want to tell you about. Oh, did I talk to you about doing Springfield
Really?
and Halifax?
So you're not going for the left turn? Yep, there you go.
All right. With that, let me do a
You know that's a right turn lane, right? He was going straight anyways. Lifted before. No stop. And I'm talking about the screw that came from the right. Why would you go? There's a car coming. Really?
He crossed the lawn again, coming closer this time to the high iron fence, leaning, waving until his arm ached. The crowds growing ever more exuberant. In what was to be the biggest night.
Go! Come on! Because Prius. Hello?
Oh my God, it's him.
Damn, how slow do you have to go, man? But really? The hell are you doing? Freaking lost big, huge signs and you can't read them. You can go. Come on, masshole.
I tell you that back in the day, at the cellar, all those knuckleheads down there, they started this thing called hack court. And if somebody challenged your joke, you had to take your joke to hack court in front of a jury of your peers, and you had to defend your joke. You notice you didn't have to say
Really?
was happy, and what they hated about your joke.